We are currently located on the List of All Users tab of the user's profile page. Here you can explore the entire user list in the system, adjust user statuses, upload certificates as needed, and assign users to tests. By clicking on this button, you can import a large number of users from an Excel file. Click here to download the Excel template for importing user accounts. Here you can find the instructions for filling in the template. Here you can choose an Excel template between YouTestMe and Agile. The YouTestMe template contains all necessary fields and is fully compatible with GetCertified. You can check this option to send email to newly created users. Once prepared, click this button to select the file and upload user accounts. By clicking on this button, you can assign a large number of certificates. Click here to download the Excel template for assigning certificates to users and fill in the mandatory fields. Once prepared, click this button to select the file and assign certificates to users. Here you can find detailed information about each user, including username, first name, last name, email. The assigned role represents a set of permissions, determining their access to various application parts. You can view the user's status, indicating the actions they can perform within the application. You can also see the password expiry date, the time and date of the user account creation. By checking this option, you will select all users on this page. Alternatively, you can manually select individual users by clicking on their checkboxes. Possible user statuses include pending, active, locked, suspended, and inactive. Active status allows users to log into the system with their username and password. It also serves to reactivate an account. Suspended status prevents users from logging in until a user with specific permissions reactivates their account. However, their results and data will remain visible in the application and will be included in the statistics. Locked status indicates that a user is required to change their password during their next login. Upon changing the password, the system will automatically transition their status from locked to active. Pending status indicates that a registration request has been submitted but is yet to be approved. After approval, the user's profile will become active in the application, and if rejected, that profile will not exist in the system. Inactive status prevents users from logging in until a user with specific permission reactivates their account. Their profile is no longer visible in the user list unless the filter to display inactive users is enabled. To filter inactive users, click this button and click this checkbox. From the drop-down menu, you can choose the user group and show only users who belong to the selected user group. To change a user's status, select the users whose status you want to change. Click this button and choose one of the offered statuses from the drop-down menu. You can choose from the options active, locked, suspended, and inactive. To assign user to the test, click this button. Click the Select Test button and choose the test you want to assign to the previously selected users. If you want to hide specific columns, click on this button and uncheck the columns you want to hide. After making changes, click Save Table Settings to save the table layout for your user account. Choose one of the presented testing sessions. Click this button to assign the selected users to take the chosen test during the specified testing session. To delete users, click this button and confirm the confirmation dialog to delete selected users permanently. By clicking on the user username, you will be redirected to the user's profile. If you want to hide specific columns, click on this button and uncheck the columns you want to hide. After making changes, click Save Table Settings to save the table layout for your user account. You can also export the table as a PUF or an Excel file. For further information or assistance, please refer to the Help section or watch our instructional videos in the application's top right corner.